Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 1 of exercise 11.3 of chapter 11, perimeter and area of class 7th. So in this exercise we'll discuss about the circle's perimeter, or we can say circle's circumference and area. Just remember one thing, that both perimeter and circumference both are the same. Just remember one thing, that when we talk about the circle, that time we're discussing about the circumference, okay? And when we're going to talk about the triangle or rectangle or square, that time we're going to use about the perimeter. Means both circumference and perimeter are representing the boundary of the closed diagram. Fine. So here, see in this question number 1, see what they are asking here, that find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. Take pi is equals to 22/7. So as we know that the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, and this one pi's value is here 22/7. In actually its value is also 3.14, but most of the time we are using here pi as 22/7. But if it is required in the sum that we have to use the value of pi as 3.14, then it will be given in the statement. Fine. So let's start this one part here. See in first part what is given to us here, that radius of the circle is given to us, that is 14 centimeter. See here what is the radius. If this is a circle, then this is the center and this is the radius here. Fine. This is representing radius of the circle, and we have to find out this one circumference here. So what is saying here, find the circumference of the circle whose radius given as 14 centimeter. And what is the formula to find the circumference of the circle? That is 2 pi r. So write here 2 as it is, multiply the value of pi as 22/7 into r as 14. So after simplification, after cutting, what we got here, that 88 centimeter, and this is the circumference of the circle. Then same here in B part, we are having radius as 28 millimeter. Fine, mm. Then circumference circle is same formula 2 pi r, and will write pi as 22/7 and radius is as 28. Simplify it, and that is 176 mm, and this is your answer. Then same here in third part, C part, we are having the radius of a circle where 21 centimeter it is given. So again we'll apply the same formula here. Put the value of pi and r, and after simplification we got here the circumference of circle as 132 centimeter. So in this way you can simplify your question number 1 of this exercise. Now let's start question number 2. In this question number 2, we will find out the area of the circle, and the formula is pi r square. Mean to say here we'll use here pi and we'll multiply with the radius 2 time here, r into r, that is r square. So the formula to find the area of the circle, that is pi r square. So here in this again some we are having radius, sometime diameter, and with the help of diameter and radius we'll find out the area of the circle. So see in first part we are having radius of a circle as 14 millimeter. So as it is given the sum already, they take pi as 22/7. So here area of a circle is pi r square. So put pi as 22/7 and radius r as 14. First of all write here 14 raised to power 2. In next step we'll write here 14 into 14. Fine. So we'll simplify it. So after simplification we got here 616 millimeter square, we can say. Fine. So this is your answer. Then same here in next B part, we are having diameter of a circle. So just remember one thing, that when we are having a circle, then this is a radius, and if I will double it, this is known as the diameter. Fine. It means to say here radius is equals to the half of the diameter. Fine. So see how to do here. Again the diameter of circle is given. So what we'll do here, first of all we'll find out the radius here. So what to do here, we'll write here 49 as 49/2 to find out the radius of the circle. So in this formula we can directly put the value of r here, that first of all pi r square, apply the formula, then put pi as 22/7 and r as 49/2 raised to power 2. Then here power 2 is there, so write here 49/2 into 49/2. Now simplify it, and at the end write here the answer, and don't forget to write here put m raised to power 2, because with the help of this power we are representing that we are talking about the area. So with the same criteria you can simplify the third part of this sum, and you can do it yourself. Now let's move to the next question number 3. So in this sum, what they are asking here, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius and also find the area of the sheet, and where pi is given as 22/7. So what is given here, that they are talking about a circular sheet, that means sheet is of this one shape. So in this circular sheet, what they are asking here, the circumference is given to us, that means the value of 2 pi r is given to us as 154 meter. Fine. So what we'll do here, so take 154 equals to 2 pi r, because it is the circumference of a circle. So after that, put here pi as 22/7. So r will be as it is. Now if you can simplify it, then simplify here, otherwise you can transpose it. Fine. So 2 and 22 both will be in the denominator of here 154, and 7 will be multiplied by 154 here. Now simplify it and you will get here that 49/2, and that means the radius can be written in the decimal form, that 24.5. And also, as they are asking to find also its area of the sheet, so apply the formula of area, pi r square, because it's this one sheet is of circular shape now. So put here, so right here the puts the formula of circle's area, that is pi r square. Now pi as 22/7 and r as 49/2. Now simplify it and you will get here at the end 188.6.5 meters square. So this is the area of the circular sheet. So this is the way to simplify your question number 3.